You already know.
You mean?
Chocolate Factory back.
You know what I'm saying? We back at it.
You see all these trees? You see all these trees? We about to be walking through the trail. You know what I mean?
The trail, you know what I'm saying? About to get in my little, hey Billy.
They already know what it is.
Man.
If you don't know what it is, look at him. Look at me. Look at him. Look back at him. Look at me. Look at him. Look at yourself. And then answer that question.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is.
We about to go mix crocodiles, meet possums.
Right,
You know what I'm
right,
saying?
right. And it's raining. There's a little drip outside.
Little drip, drip. You know what I'm saying? Let me hit a milli.
Oh, shit. Oh, you disappeared. Oh, shit, you disappeared.
Oh, shit, I'm too black?
Yeah. Oh, I don't even think they could see this. Oh, this high as shit.
Hey.
We back with it. We back with it. You already know. Here, hold the camera real quick. Hold the camera real quick.
You know,
We
my man
back
out
with
here.
it.
You know what I'm saying?
We about to explore the motherfucking nature, nigga.
Motherfucking nature, man. Boot a nigga up, cuz.
Turn into
Oh, shit. Hey, fucking true.
I'm gonna get you, bitch.
Fucking true. Hey, gang, gang.
Let me see.
Oh, shit.
All right.
I'm running like fuck, bro.
Alright, I don't know if y'all can see shit. Cause I can't see shit. So whatever y'all see is what I'm seeing. I mean, all I see is that, oh wait, no, we shouldn't go this way.
Man, we out here. We strapping.
You-
It's a bear.
You packed that thing on you?
I packed that thing too. He come around
lying.
here.
He
He will
lying.
get clapped.
He lying. Oh shit. I don't know what this sign means, but fuck it. Alright, this look like it's a bridge, bro, and I think we're going the wrong way. Let's go that way. Let's just keep walking straight. Alright.
Right out.
You didn't think I was gonna catch him? Alright. Alright, I think we made the right move.
Oh yeah, we deep in the
Yeah.
trenches, man.
Y'all really can't see nothing.
Oh, yeah,
All I can
fucking
see is
blind
us.
out here.
Yo, I mean, we gonna record this mostly because if shit pop off, we got the footage. If we get eaten, like, oh shit, yo, you can't be doing that to me, man. You can't. He turned around. Oh,
I just thought about the fucking.
can y'all see anything? Oh, y'all can see that tree. Look at this.
Fuck, I'm a ninja. Hello, how you doing?
All I'm
we in
saying.
the trenches. We about to meet Tarzan.
I beat that nigga ass.
What the fuck is that? Is that a big ass tree?
That's a big ass street. All right. You
Alright,
wanna
you see
cross?
a big
You
ass-
wanna cross through? You wanna get in the real shit, bro?
Nah, nah. Is that shit? Oh,
That's a leaf.
Alright, we about to get in the trenches, man.
All right, we in the trenches with it now. Oh man. Yo, where did we? Oh shit. Where did we find a dead body?
Oh, shit.
Where did we find a dead body?
Now you got me curious. Now you got me curious.
Now you got me curious. Oh shit, man. I've
Yeah.
never done something like this.
Black
at night
people
before.
don't do this shit.
Real shit.
I guess we're white today, man.
You wait today?
Yep.
All right.
Deep in the forest.
I've never done something
Chocolate
like that.
Factory X the forest.
Hold up. I can't see
X
nothing. This is spooky, bro. What if they got demons here? What if this is haunted?
Hey, man. I don't do that demon shit.
What if they got demons? Oh my god.
Give me your life. Give me your soul.
Oh my god. Oh, look at these flowers. Wettin'? Wettin'?
We fucking around me Sub-Zero and Scorpion in this bitch.
You-
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You good?
Bro, those bridges got me fucking drawn over here. This is shit. Fuck
Shit.
up my leg.
Shit. Oh man. Oh my god, look at these branches.
We deep in the forest, man.
Yeah, we in the forest with it.
Yo, like, we deep in this bitch. What if like a gang of raccoons just fuck us up?
Oh shit. Man. Oh, I think we can go this
in
way.
habitat already.
Oh no, let's go this way. This way be crazy. Yo, it looked like that's it. It looked like Slender Man about to come out and fucking start smacking on it. What happened?
Feel like I was in a scene of Rise of the Apes.
You like jazz? You like jazz? That's what I'm gonna ask him. Is Slender Man come? Oh shit, yo! Oh my god. Oh shit. All right, let me not do that because I cannot see.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, Robbie, how'd you get it? It's like, nah.
No, stop fucking playing!
He start folding. Oh shit. You
What is that,
you
Mike?
like jazz? It's a fucking.
No, it look like him moving, Mike.
Oh man, this is scary.
We are deep in the trenches. Oh,
Damn it.
freestyle.
Oh shit, he said freestyle. Go ahead,
Freestyle. We in the trenches.
Hey.
Tell the fuck with a demon.
Oh,
She only like me cause my semen.
okay.
Yeah. It's big semen in her butt.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, put my in her gut.
Oh,
Say no.
shit, no.
Alright, fuck all that.
I don't know about all that.
Edit all that.
Nah, I'm gonna leave it. Oh shit. Alright. He don't want me to start spinning some bars.
Smack them bars, bro.
He don't want me. Alright, hold this.
Hold on, Mike.
Hold it.
Gang shit. Oh shit. Fucking dark, man. What the fuck?
You can see me? Or
Fuck.
black.
Dude, what the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? Oh my god, Billy, what the fuck? Naruto, no! Oh shit! What the fuck is this? Bro, seriously, come around. Oh shit! What is this? This could mean something. I'm gonna lick it. Say,
Lick it.
no,
Alright, let me
I'm
start
cool.
spinning some bars real quick. Yeah, give me a word. Give me a word actually. Let's do it like that, cause
Tits.
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 I said I'm playing with her tits.
Tits.
I think she's smelling from her pits.
Her pits. Looking on her nips.
I think we about to get lit.
Uh-huh.
Plural.
Plural.
I don't know the rest.
Your boyfriend dick is the size of a Cheeto, like chips. Oh.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Spin bars. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Oh, man. What yo? It's scary. What if a demon really come behind you and grip your neck? This how people die. All right. Oh, bro, you good?
No, bro, that fucking branch on some shit. Bro, you calling demons and shit.
Oh my god, how am I gonna close this? All right. Where this nigga go? Where this nigga go? Oh, I see him. Yo, bro.
If my exes was to touch him,
I really can't see shit on this, bro. Yeah. We black as shit, bro. This is probably why white people do shit like this. Because they can see each other.
yeah.
Alright, let's continue with this journey. Oh, let's play
Go for
limbo.
a dip.
But you see what that is over there?
Graffiti.
You wanna go over there? We over there. Oh yeah, I know what that is. Oh shit. Oh god damn. Shit. God damn.
We gotta go up there.
God damn. Oh this nigga. Oh he. Oh shit. I almost fell trying to be like you, bro. Hey. Oh, boo. Yo, nigga. There is a little stair ladder shit right here.
Wow.
And this man just slid down. All right, but I'm trying to be safe and watch me be the one to bust my. Watch me be the one to bust my ass. All right, let's see me. If I bust my ass, y'all go.
Dude, it's a fucking demon behind you, bro.
Fuck that bitch. Man, ask him if he likes jazz. All right. You don't even know. Yo. Okay. Oh, this is scary. Oh, this is scary.
This is definitely a demon layer.
This is scary. See
Oh.
what this is?
Almost seems like a little girl come out and start playing.
I'm gonna throw my honey bun out here. Yeah, hear that though?
You hear that, bro?
Loud as shit. What?
You don't hear that? Listen. Hello.
That's my dick in the box.
Cops. Dude, what the fuck, bro?
You like jazz?
Yo, what the fuck? That was my Pop-Tart.
Too fat. Search it up. Hey. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, hey. Oh, okay. All right. We out this beach. Fuck you looking at beach? All right, come on. All right, I don't know what that was, but I don't want to go in there. It's scary. They got demons. All right. If this nigga, if he busts his ass,
I'm a god, man.
I'm a god. God damn. Oh God.
Fred's trying to lick my neck.
Ah, scratch my goddamn knee.
Shit, God, fuck.
God damn, nigga.
Something tried to lick me.
All right. Wait, why you going this way, bro?
Oh shit, we going deeper?
Yeah, what you think this is?
I'm finna die.
We dying for the vlogs. We dying.
Oh,
Oh my God.
oh my damn. Dude, what the fuck, bro?
Ew.
You're totally in my space, bro.
My fault, bro. All right.
It's Chocolate Factory, man.
We back. And we better.
Sorry, no, man, we in the hood with it, man. Nigga come around here, he'll get clapped, you know what I'm saying?
He will get clapped.
He will get clapped. I hit his ass up one time,
Ew.
You know me?
He fruity.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Start with the rapping again. Start with the rapping.
All right, fucking her all in the coop.
Oh.
RP to Lil Snoop.
Oh.
This is what I fucking do.
Okay.
I don't give a fucking hoot.
What?
I don't give a fucking hoot.
The fuck is
Pull
that?
up and I shoot. Yeah. Yeah, I fucking said that, bro. Fuck, I
Alright.
blinded the shit out my eye.
I got you right now.
Billy.
Hold this. Give me another word. Let's do this with a word. Go ahead.
Oh, word? We gonna go bar for bar?
Well, you want to go bar for bar?
Oh, yeah,
Let's
yeah.
go bar for bar. All right.
All right.
Go ahead.
I like honey buns.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah, what the
Oh,
fuck?
all right, start over.
I like honey
Different
buns.
bar.
Shit.
You can't think of a fucking bar.
I'm thinking of something vulgar.
Let me start over.
Uh-huh.
All right. Hold up.
Yeah, it's a little hard, ain't it?
Oh, I'm just fucking this thing up. All right.
Oh, shit.
Ready?
Yeah.
His balls is on my neck.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
His balls is on his neck. Nigga, what the fucking heck?
What?
Dude who says that. So you know. Oh shit, we're
Alright.
deep in the forest.
All right.
Oh shit. Nigga, I fucking
My dogs don't feel neglect.
niggas hating sex.
I put my shoe in his face. Give him a little taste.
Spray his
Niggas
bitch ass nigga.
Like something they ain't. Kill him with a dildo.
Alright.
We gonna edit that out, bro.
Spray a nigga in his face. Shooting like I'm Mace. I don't give a fuck. Kill a nigga, leave him in place.
Okay.
Listen,
Hey.
I'm from hell. I rebel. Niggas talking that crazy shit. I was in jail, sitting in a cell. Yeah. I'm strong like that.
When the fuck did you go to jail?
I don't fucking know, but dude,
what the fuck, dude?
dude, what the fuck? Tommy, where are you going, bro?
First of
Listen,
all,
you gonna spit it out? You gonna cat got your tongue?
I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it.
Dude, what the fuck?
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
Yeah, that's just fucking demons.
Niggas trying to rip my foot. Yo, my honey bun wet as shit. Oh shit.
This honey bun is wet as shit. Oh, what the fuck, bro?
Bro. Look at that black girl be in the rain. That's my umbrella.
Yo, this drunk.
That's my umbrella, bro.
Huh?
This is my safety hat.
Your safety hat.
Without safety,
Oh, dude, what the fuck? That's totally unique. Trendsetter.
trendsetter. All right, let's go back, but we're gonna walk across the road.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Are we about to drop a banger right now?
Rose, rose.
Yeah. Rose. Hennessy. I don't fucking play. Yeah.
I can't see. I need some fucking glasses, nigga.
Glasses, nigga. Shoot them in the ass, nigga. Yeah. Shoot them in the ass, nigga.
See that shit around me again. Oh shit, nah, I don't trust this, bro. I don't trust this. People living here.
Yeah. I'm not shit. I ain't drunk.
You was about to get the quick one too.
It's a.
Hey.
Listen.
Hey.
Hey,
wait,
fuck.
you're in the camera, bro.
Yeah. Oh shit. I'm stepping in all this mud.
Hey.
I came up off of mud.
Hey.
Niggas talking shit. I don't fucking smoke that butt. I don't give a fuck.
Don't.
Bitch, lick my nuts.
Hey.
I don't give a fuck. She gon' suck and I'ma fuck. Hey.
What?
She gon' suck and
Alright,
I'ma fuck.
Ready?
Ready.
That right there is a tree.
Tree.
I just hurt my knee.
Knee.
Punch you in the
Shit! Alright, we gonna finish it off. That's a fucking tree.
Hey.
Yeah, I hurt my knee.
Oh.
She gonna suck my dick. Asking for me, please.
Hey.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh.
Told her to lick my nuts.
Oh.
Fucking on her butt.
Right.
Nothing on her guts. Hey,
Right.
I don't care. I don't care. I just get that bread. Niggas talking crazy, but your bitch gave me head. Niggas talking crazy, but I get him fucking dead. Pull up and I shoot like I do this fucking hoop shit. Yeah. Whoa. I fucked it up.
Yo, this bench tough.
Ooh.
Yo.
Posted in the corner, posted in the trenches with my guys. Yeah. Yeah, my nigga looking kinda fly.
You like
jazz? You like jazz? Ooh.
I don't like jazz. Yo, come on, sit with me, bro.
Shit.
You got me sitting here on some shit while you standing up recording me like I'm some type of hoe. Do I look like a hoe to you, nigga?
Facts, B. Facts. Dead ass right now, you're getting me mad tight, bro. You give me mad tight like a. Ooh, sure.
Say that shit to me again.
You just say that shit to me one.
That shit to me again.
Yeah.
Yo, bro, listen. I'm gonna give you some motivation real quick. When life gives you lemons,
Fucking make lemonade.
you throw
bitch.
that shit back. Cause we don't accept shit.
We don't accept shit.
We work for it. So if you want some lemons,
Better go fucking get it, bitch.
you better get your own fucking lemons. Fuck life.
Cause ain't nobody
He a
gonna
bitch.
give it to you.
He a
Nigga,
bitch.
life gonna take you by the fucking neck and gonna fuck you up. I know that shit cause I'm in college and I'm failing. Like,
And I'm gonna
fuck.
beat his ass.
Beat his ass.
I'm gonna break his fucking elbow.
Break his fucking elbow. Fucking break his knee,
shit,
bitch. I'm blind as fuck right now.
Oh, Slender Man!
Bro, what the fuck?
You got scared of a Slender Man, bro?
What that nigga just pop up?
I'm gonna have to kill this nigga, man.
We deep up in the
I'm gonna have to
trenches.
hit him with the driver.
Paul Driver, fuck it. Ooh, danger. Oh no.
Oh, no.
No.
Hey, bro, come on. My
Wait,
man,
bro.
Go back.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo!
Nah, look at me. Look at me.
Oh shit, he's tweaking. He is tweaking. That is a sign from God. Go back. Danger.
You know what I gotta
Dude,
say?
y'all fucking see this shit.
You know what I gotta say to
fucking says
You know what
danger.
I gotta say to roadblocks and obstacles? I'm knocking at your door, nigga.
Pull up and let's shoot. Ooh,
We
yeah.
eating on this phone, nigga. Hey. You already know, nigga. Hey.
What we see like a fucking Tasmanian devil?
I'm gonna.
Hiya. Oh shit!
See,
What?
look at the form. Look at the form.
Look at the form,
Hiya. Hiya.
dude. That was totally
Beach.
fucking awesome.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
Fuck you, Jacob.
Yeah.
Okay.
What he about to
Listen.
do?
I'm just saying, Damien come around here.
Oh shit.
I'm a for Wakanda.
For Wakanda.
Wakanda? I should be the next Black Panther. Sorry, Killmonger.
Killmonger is not Black Panther though.
He was.
No,
He was.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, you right. You right. But that nigga gone. He dead. He dead. Damn. What about the people that didn't watch the movie?
Oh.
You assed out, bitch.
You should have watched it, you fucking lazy bum. You fucking
For Wakanda.
for Wakanda.
All right. We still in the deep forests. Don't know where we at. Don't know how to get back home.
Yeah,
But you know what?
fucking lost here.
But you know what?
Freaking lost, man. Freaking hey. Fuck.
Hey,
Shit.
can we not?
Definitely. You better subscribe or your mom's a fucking whore. I'm telling you on God.
Oh fucking God, man.
For Wakanda. Do it for Wakanda. Subscribe, my nigga. If you want to see lit channels, you know what I'm saying? You want to hear us talk that real shit? Hold on, bro. Let's give these niggas motivation.
Motivation real
Listen,
quick?
listen.
Motivation. All right, listen to him.
If you got a fucking dream and people telling you can't do that shit, nigga, you better fucking chase your shit. You better chase your dream. And nigga, anybody that tell you can't do nothing, tell them suck a dick. Suck a dick.
And die.
And die.
And
let that bitch prosper. Cause I guarantee
Right.
you keep on pushing,
Right,
bro.
right.
You gonna get fucking what you want? You wanna be free or you wanna be your own boss? You wanna oh shit.
Yeah, you kind of fucked up.
Edit
Still,
that out.
no.
Edit that out.
They
All
get
right.
the point. They get the
Listen.
point.
But listen, you wanna be your own boss or you wanna work a 9 to 5? You wanna flip burgers? No, I don't fucking wanna flip burgers. Who the
Or do you want to go to school for 4 years to only
4
make
years,
$40,000 a year?
Listen, that just teach you how to get by. Who wants to get by? You're being comfortable with being broke. Fuck. I don't want
Right.
to do that. I want to.
Right.
Bitch, I want a McLaren.
Right.
What nigga you know got a
Another thing-
McLaren? And the fat ass raindrop just hit my face. Fuck.
Everybody that you look up to, everybody that you admire, these niggas worked.
Fat
They
ass
work.
raindrop. They out here saying raindrop. Drop
Oh
top.
wait, what the? Wait, hold up real quick, bro. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Hold up real quick. Hold up real quick. No, it's not fruity, brother. Hold up. Shit.
What the fuck?
Hold up. God fucking damn it.
Shit.
Shit. Unzip your fucking coat. This nigga came to the forest with a suit on.
Just came back from an interview. Got the job. But I don't want it. I don't fucking want it because I want to be rich. I don't want to be I don't want to fucking
Oh,
be.
it's blurry.
It's blurred.
Alright, we back.
Cute boogie with the hoodie on, right? You know what I'm saying? If you got a dream, fucking chase it. Don't listen to what nobody gotta say. If your mom tell you, listen, bro, don't get the shoe. Listen, if your mom tell you go to school,
Right.
fuck that shit. If you got a dream, nigga, chase that shit. Cause listen, all they doing is teaching you how to be average. Are you average? Cause I ain't average. Are you average,
Right.
bro?
Average people don't go to rainforest.
Like, what
We're
is
not in the
this?
rainforest, but average
Styling
people don't
on
go
them.
here with suits. We
Listen.
don't do
Listen, I came from a job interview to go to the forest.
that. To shoot a video.
Okay, like for Chocolate Factory. Cause I'm out here chasing my dream. And best believe 2019, we gonna be moving to LA. That's all we gonna say. Subscribe and like, bitch.